Children, today we will discuss a model question paper of mathematics for 10th class. You have the first question, HCF of integers 12 and 15. So how to find that HCF? You have a D part here also, that is 12. So let us start how to do it. See, we can do it by two methods. First method is you take 15, divide it by 12. So 12 ones are 12, you get 3. You put 12 here, 3 fours are 12. So this is the answer. This is the HCF, children. Second way to find HCF is you can write all the multiple of C. I'm writing here multiples of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 3 is 12, 6 2 is 12 and 12. Similarly, you can write the multiple of 15. This is 1, 3 5 is 15, 5 and 15. So children, highest common factor is 3. So this is the way to find HCF of two integers. So the answer to the first part is A. In a quadratic equation, you have here ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So then you have to, the sum of the roots will be the sum of roots will be. This is the question. Here in this case, your first part is minus b upon a, second part is c upon a, third part is d upon a. This is b part, this is c part, and d part is, this is d upon a, and d part is none. Okay, so this is the question. Children, this is again a simple question. Here you have a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. How to find sum? The formula for sum is minus coefficient of x upon constant upon coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x square. So here you get coefficient of x is b, minus sign is here, this is minus b upon a. In fact, so answer to this part is A. If instead of sum he is asking you to find product. So children, how to find the product? Product is nothing, constant term upon coefficient of x square, children. So this is c upon a. Okay, if he is asking you to find the product. So this is the way. Now I'm coming to the next question. In a pair of linear equations, if d1 over d2, if a1 over a2, if a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then the system of the equations will have, then the system of equations will have, the first part to this question is infinitely many solutions, infinitely many solutions. Second part is exactly one solution, or you can say unique solution, unique solution. And third part is no solution, no solution. And D part is none. So this is the question, children. See, answer to this question, suppose I have the system of linear equations like ax, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. So likewise, I have a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Now, children, if a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 over b2, then the solution is unique. Just remember, solution will be unique if a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 over b2. So the answer to this question is unique solution, or one solution you can say. But suppose if you have a1 over a2 equals b1 over b2 equals c1 over c2, then it has infinitely many solutions, children, infinitely many solutions. And in case if a1 over a2 equals b1 over b2 not equal to c1 over c2, then children, it will have no solution. It will have, system of equations will have no solution. So this is your question number 3rd. In a quadratic equation, you have the equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The discriminant d is equal to, the discriminant d is equal to dash dash minus 4 ac. So children, let us start with this question. Suppose you have an equation like this, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, you have a formula to find x, that is minus b plus minus, here you get b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula to find roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, children? Here, this term d is called discriminant. So, what is discriminant here? This term is the discriminant d. So, d is what? B square minus 4ac. So, you have the options here. Here the first part in the option is c square, second part option is b square, third part option is x square, and d part is none. So the answer to this question is this. Children, one more thing, when this discriminant is greater than equal to 0, roots are real and rational. Remember, when discriminant is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. When this discriminant is less than 0, roots are not real. That you study in your +1 class, but this is the question number 4. I am coming to your question number 5. AP You have a common difference D of the AP, common difference D of the AP. So you have a AP here, 3 comma 1 comma minus 1 3 up to so on is. Children, arithmetic progression you have options here. First option is 2, second option is minus 2, third option is 3, and D is none. Okay children, so this is the question. So how to find? You have an AP here. This is 1 3 1 minus 1 3 up to so on. See, common difference is nothing. Second term minus first term, right? 1 minus 3. Or you can, so this is answer is minus 2. Or you can say third term minus second term. You will get minus 1 again minus 2. Or fourth term minus third terms. Common difference between two succeeding terms will always remain the same. That is called, here A is the first term, D is the common difference. So this is your question number 5. I'm coming to your question number 6 here. Question number 6. In question number 6, he is asking you according to Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. You have here 5 square plus 12 square equals dash dash dash. This is the question. So the A part is 13 square, B part is 14 square, C part is 17 square, D part is none. So children, this is the question. Let us start with this question. See, in a Pythagoras theorem, you have a right angle triangle. You can take any of the side as a base, any side as perpendicular. Angle is not given here, so this is hypotenuse. So Pythagoras theorem is nothing. Hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. So children, here you have 5 square plus 12 square. So automatically you get here 25, here you get 144, you get 169, and that is nothing children, 13 square. So answer to this part is A. Okay, this is your question number 6. I am coming to question number 7. He's saying 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A is equal to, okay, so let us start. See, you take 9 common. Here you are getting secant square A minus tan square A, and this is nothing, 9 multiply 1. So answer to this part is 9. Here the options are, A option is 1, B option is 9, and C option is 0, D is none. Okay, none. So here the answer to this part is 9. See children, you have trigonometric identities. First identity is sine square A, or theta you can write, sine square theta. It is better to write it in terms of theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. This is first identity. Second identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Fourth identity is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals 1. Right? So this is your question number 7, children. Now I am coming to your question number 8. Here, a line intersecting circle in 2 points is called a line intersecting circle in 2 points is called, A part is chord, B part is tangent, C part is secant, D part is none. Okay, children? So let us start with this question. See, children, you have a circle here. This is a circle. Any line which intersect the circle in 2 points is called secant. Remember, that is called secant line. When this secant, so this is your secant, and what is chord? These 2 points. This is A point, this is B, this is called chord, children. This is called chord. When this chord passes through the center, right, like this, it becomes diameter. And any line which touches the circle exactly at 1 point is called a tangent line. This is called a tangent line. So here he is saying you that a line intersecting circle in 2 points is called nothing, children. This is secant. The answer to the question number 8 is secant. We have question number 9. Fill in the blanks. This is the question. Fill in the blanks. Okay, children. Here he has given a statement. All squares are dash dash dash. Here he is writing here similar, and here congruent. Okay, this is the question. Children, here remember, answer to this part is you have to fill the blanks. Okay, this is the question. See, this is a small circle, this is a bigger circle. Small circle is similar to a bigger circle. Small square is similar to a bigger square. Okay, but small triangle can be similar to a bigger triangle. Similarity, the sign of similarity is like this. So whenever you talk about congruency, suppose this is a triangle and I'm writing it like this, like this. Okay, children. So this is congruent. Congruent means this side is equal to this side is equal to this side is equal to this angle is equal to this. There are several criterias for congruency, or this angle for this. Okay, but once you prove that the triangle are congruent, then all the sides and all the angles are equal. So that is, so here all the square cannot be congruent, children. All the squares remain similar, right? So you have understood what is. See, if you want to say that a small two square will be congruent only when their sides are equal. Suppose this is 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter, only then they are congruent. But he is saying all, so small is similar to bigger one, right? Similar. So this is your question number 9, children. We have, he's saying your question number 10. I'm coming to your question number 10, children. In question number 10, he's saying the volume of cylinder is A part is pi r square h, B part is 1 by 3 pi r square h, C part is 2 by 3 pi r square h, and D part is none. This is the question. Okay, children, let us start. You have a cylinder here. This is a cylinder like this. This is a cylinder. This is its radius. This is its height. See its surface area. There are two surface area. One is called your lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. So what is lateral surface area? 2 pi r h. Total surface area? Total surface area. Total surface area. This is 2 pi r h, this lateral, plus pi r square, plus pi r square. Okay. There are two circles, one top, another bottom. So you can say this is 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. So you can take 2 pi r common. So here you get h plus r. As far as the volume is concerned, children, this is pi r square h, volume of cylinder. So this answer to this part is A. So we have gone through 10 questions, MCQs from the model test paper. Okay, children, I think you have understood it.